So as long as it continues to go your way, you can add wherever you want. Though, when I add, typically look for a breathe back, which you're right, was this spot here back to this 218.50 because it was still above 217.79, right? And it's still to the upside. It's still in the 2-minute EWO. It's still above VWAP. It's still above the 200. All the things are still good. Now look at Apple pulling back. Here comes a nice market pullback. Seeing it? Here we go. 2-minute EWO fans on Apple. Did it ever break above VWAP?
Nope.
No, it did not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? And everybody's like, oh, no. Listen, when in doubt, shed. When in doubt, take some off the table. So to answer your other question, when should you collect? Whenever you want. Just make sure your green trade doesn't go red on you over there scalping, right? Collect wherever you want. If it pulls back and it makes you nervous, take off 50%. It's 50, 20, 20, 10%. In here in Apple, right? It's like pulling back. Somebody's like, oh no, we'll get rid of some. Pulls back, comes back again. Oh no, pulls back, comes back. Oh no, pulls back. Oh no. And now you still got 10%, right? So you guys get to decide, but the beauty of it is you're still in the trade. It's still positive. You should still have some in there. You always leave some skin in the game because that 10% could make you 50%, right? Now, if you look at Tesla, this pull back to 219.53 here, right? It just did it again, real close. It hit to 65. If you're still strong in it, this is the buy to re-add. Otherwise, listen, you don't have to just keep buying in. Just let the runners run and it will make you more money. Because remember, every time you guys buy or add in, you're adding risk, right? It can go against you. You're averaging the price, right, to the wrong side. So I don't always like to continue to add in. I'd rather let my runners run and make my money. Now, if you're just doing like a feeler or a starter, sure. Put in 1 or 2 contracts until you get up to your 10 or 20 or, whatever you're trying to get to. But look at this. Look at this pullback. You got market pullback here. You got Apple collapsing. Tesla's pulling back. SPY is now going to follow. SPY, by the way, up here on a double top. You want to know why this market's crashing? Look at this thing. Look at it hit double top on 439.50 on SPY. Now, I'm really late to the party, so now I got to wait. But do you guys see it up there? Look at the double top.
Yeah.
Isn't that glorious? Isn't that the perfect opportunity waiting for that thing to hammer puts?